In this video, let's see an important question asked in the IIT JEE previous year 2014 paper in the IIT JEE advanced paper. Now the question says let f and g be the functions defined from real to real and they are respectively defined by fx is equal to mod x plus 1, gx is equal to x square plus 1. Define h, another function, from real to real by the definition hx is equal to maximum of fx gx, minimum of fx gx. Maximum in case when x is less than equal to 0, minimum when x is greater than 0. So after defining a new function hx from the previous two functions fx gx, you have to tell the number of points for which the given function hx is not differentiable. So I write solution and let's see how we can do it in an easy and quick manner. You might be remembering the graphs of mod x plus 1, x square plus 1. It is nothing but obtained from mod x and x square only, y is equal to x square, y is equal to mod x. This is the Cartesian plane. Suppose it is 0, here I say it is 1, here it is minus 1, here it is plus 1. And this is, as you know, x axis, this is y axis. That naming you can do, that is not required for our purpose. Mod x plus 1 it says. So mod x plus 1 graph will be what? It will be something like this, right? This is mod x plus 1. Because mod x was where when it was actually the v near about origin, but here it is plus 1, so it should be vertically shifted 1 point above the y axis. X square plus 1. X square plus 1 means what? Again it should be something, a parabola, and the parabola should be there such that it is going about here. So it should be like this, it should be a parabola, that I am going to tell you, it should be a parabola. Now, and to your important notice, I might tell you that here, because we are not using the ruler and all, so it is not becoming very accurate, but what I need to tell you is that they will be intersecting, and they will be intersecting where? They will be intersecting here. So wherever they intersect, that should be named as your 1, and here wherever they intersect, that should be your minus 1. As simple as that, very fair. Now the definition of hx is what? It says maximum of fx gx when x is less than equal to 0, means on the negative axis whatever is maximum, that is your hx. So that means maximum of this curve, and the red curve is what? The red one. So your hx, if I say, is represented like this. So here, okay. Next is minimum of fx gx when x is greater than 0. In the positive side you have to go for the minimum one. So the minimum one is this. So this dashed or zigzag one is your hx, okay. The zigzag one is your hx. Now this is your hx. This is your hx, and you have to tell with the help of hx that number of points for which the function is not differentiable. You know that the function is not differentiable at sharp points. So how many sharp points? One sharp point here, the other sharp point here, the third sharp point here. So for 3 points, it is not telling which 3 points, but it is telling find the number of points. So the number of points are what? There are 3 points from which my function hx is not differentiable, and you can see these 3 are actually darkened.